Welcome back, humble traders. Today I'll be doing a technical breakdown on NIO, ticker symbol NIO. If you are new to the channel, remember to take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more charting and price manipulations. Do note that I'm just humble chartist and I do not provide any buy or sell calls. Instead, I focus on the potential traps laid out by the market makers. Always remember that stock market is never obvious. It is designed to fool most of the people most of the time. So let's talk about NIO. In my 2 videos ago, I did talk about NIOs when it was trading around $19-20. My target price for NIO is actually $8. I sincerely believe that it may potentially fall to those levels, perhaps in the subsequent weeks or even months. So my first support was initially at about $19. $19-20. This was my first support as denoted by the yellow lines. And somehow we did had a good uptrend to about, if I remember correctly, it was about $26 to actually close this gap here, but we didn't completely close the gap here, and then we continue falling, continue to fall down. And currently now we are at about $16, and my support is around $15.50. So potentially we may see it falling to about maybe $15 to $14, and thereafter, if people were to cut loss, we may potentially see a short-term rebound. Definitely no reversal, but a short-term rebound. So we can see a short-term rebound to perhaps $19-20 if the market is allow us for that kind of rebounds. If the market does not allow those kinds of rebounds, then we potentially can just break through 14 and even arrive at $13 or $12 in the upcoming week. So when the trend is down, usually you just follow the trend, and the price will definitely follow the trend, and no signs of reversal will be seen unless the big players do intend to step in. And if the big players were to intend to step in, that means the retail investors have eventually cut their losses. But it seems like NIO, people are still buying, people are still believing in this stock. And if it's too optimistic, then definitely I don't see any rebound so soon. Big players have to collect cheap, and they want to collect in bulk and in size. So they have to collect it at extremely low levels where retail investors will not believe the prices will fall to those levels. So definitely, I believe that below $10, people may cut their losses at about $8 or $9. So this would serve as a good support. So we may go here and then we test this support here. And if you were to break it, then we will slowly slide down to $8 or $9. And those levels, potentially people may eventually cut their losses. If you look at the MACD, and MACD just point downwards, so we can expect further downside. If you zoom in closely to the volume, huge volumes of sell down is an indication that big players are actually heavily selling their positions or even cutting their losses. So definitely it's a cause for concern. Look at the MACD is really pointing down. Let's take a look at the weekly MACD. For the weekly MACD, it tells us the same thing. You can see that there is no signs of reversal. At the beginning, we actually did see a potential histogram changing, but now it has become red and it looks like it will drift down further. So definitely downside is to be expected. And hopefully retail investors cut their losses, and a rebound is gives an opportunity for those people who want to cut their losses or escape. Any rebounds will be a good opportunity to escape and clear your positions. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe as we keep the uptrend on channel intact. Leave in the comment section below your thoughts on this particular stock, or if you have any other stock tier requests. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.